was A, B, rebaking food. Baked food are also not subject to Melacha of rebaking. So it's not recooking, as we said, it's rebaking. What does it mean? Due to the principle, there is no prohibition of baking that which has been already been baked. Thus, baked goods may be reheated on Shabbos. However, due to the rabbinic prohibition of placing even completely cooked food directly on fire, these two may be only reheated indirectly. Thus, placing baked challah in a hot oven when the fire is no longer lit, or placing on the top of the urn or a crack pot would be permitted. Okay, so let's try to understand what it says. So, as we said, there is no cooking after cooking. And here we see that our sages separate baking and cooking, because those are two separate methods. So bake, where we bake usually in the oven, or as we said, we can bake. Is it on in a frying pan? Also, it's going to be baking, as we said before. And cooking, when we say cooking usually it's meaning using liquid water, right? So, so basically, we have to reheat the same way that it was cooked last. So meaning last, meaning that it could be cooked in several stages. For example, some people, they would they cook noodles and they would fry them after they were cooked, right? Fried almost without oil, so it is actually frying and not cooking. Okay. So one more time. So challah. So it's very interesting. I think it's a very good idea to warm up the challah. Right, so and as we said, we can put it only indirectly to the source of heat. As they say, if you turn off your oven, right, your stove, you can put it inside. For example, the best example would be Friday night. So, for example, you finish cooking, there is still like hot oven. You put the challah, you close the door, and after I don't know how many minutes. 20 minutes, 30 minutes is still, you're going to get a fresh challah, warm challah at least. Okay, and or they say on top of hot urn. I'm not sure. I mean, it's such a good insulation. I'm not sure why would he say that. Crack pot. Okay, should be permitted. Or there are other ways how to warm up challah, and we're going to discuss later on all the details.